Please turn on CC for English subtitles.
We have been recommending you documentary films to watch on various streaming platforms, but for a deeper study of a particular subject, makers sometimes choose the path of a documentary series. Here is the subject is explored in various episodes through different angles, and the audience gets to see a wholesome picture. 10. The Keepers. This docu-series follows the unsolved murder of a sister Kathy Sisnick who went missing of the sudden. While initially it was suspected that someone might have kidnapped Sister Kathy, it eventually came to light that her disappearance was covered up by authorities as there was a sexual abuse scandal at the Catholic school where she taught, and she could have been the whistleblower. 9. Conversations with the Killer, the Ted Bundy Tapes. The 4-part documentary series starts with the tapes that were recorded by a journalist while serial killer Ted Bundy was on the death row in Florida. Here, two journalists meet and talk with Bundy, and even though he doesn't confess to killings in the tapes, he analyzes the killings by taking a third person's point of view to explain why a killer would act the way. 8. The disappearance of Madeleine McCann. What happens when a 3-year-old girl is taken from her bed at the family resort in Portugal? Who is the suspect and are the parents involved? The disappearance of Madeleine McCann raised many such questions, but it couldn't answer many of them. This docu-series follows potential suspect, the motive behind taking the little girl, and doesn't rule out the possibility that she may be still alive. 7. Making a Murderer. The case of Stephen Avery received wide attention as the first season of the series streamed on Netflix. Wrongful convictions and the false testimony are the pillars of this murder case that led two men to spending decades in prison. After the success of season 1, the series came back for the second season as well. 6. Evil Genius. Known as the bizarre case of the pizza robbery, the docu-series follows a case where a man is sent to rob a bank with a bomb around his neck. The man in question was a pizza delivery executive who ended up dying as a bomb went off in front of the authorities. Who planned the mission and was the victim also the mastermind? 5. Wild Wild Country. In the early 1980s, followers of Rajneesh started working towards building a utopian city named Rajneeshpuram in Oregon, USA. The city was met with a lot of oppositions from neighboring countries, which resulted in bio-attacks and led many of the followers to flee from a country. Rajneesh too was arrested by the end of it. 4. Don't Fuck with Cats, Hunting an Internet Killer. This docu-series follows a manhunt of Luca Magnotta. Magnotta's video featuring himself killing kittens went viral, but sleuths on the internet had reason to believe that he was going to kill again, and this time it was going to be a human being. 3. The Devil Next Door. This series follows the case of John Demjanjuk, who was suspected to be a Nazi guard at one of the extermination camps. The survivors from that time remember him as Ivan the Terrible because of his inhuman acts towards the prisoners. John sticks to his word that he is infamous guard, but the opposition is certain that he is not what he claims to be. 2. Tiger King. Tiger King made a lot of buzz as soon as the series started streaming, and it continues to baffle people. Tiger King is the story of Joe Exotic, who runs a zoo and largely deals with the competition's Carolee Baskin. But that's not all. This docu-series touches upon stories of polygamy, elections, contract killer, drug abuse, murder, and even formation of a cult. 1. The Innocence Files. This new series on Netflix explores the case files of those who have been wrongfully convicted by the system. Many of them have spent years locked in the prison and have faced injustice. Not just the accused, even the victims of these cases have been waiting for justice.
watching. Please leave your thoughts in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.